Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem to simplify this cube root of 991,026,973. In the first step, we can write this as cube root of 900. In here we can separate this part and it will be 991 million and plus this 26,973. And in next step, this is equals to cube root of 991 million plus, in here we can write this as 27,000 minus 27, right? This is equals to this. And in next step, it will be cube root of, we can write this 991 million as 991 times 10 to power of 6 and plus, and here we can write 27,000 as 27 times 10 to power of 3 and minus 27. And in next step, it will be cube root of, we can write 991 as 1000 minus 9, right? And times 10 to power of 6 and plus 27 times 10 to power of 3 and minus 27. And in next step, this is equals to cube root of, in here we can write this 1000 as 10 to power of 3 and minus 9 times 10 to power of 6 plus 27 times 10 to power of 3 and minus 27. And it will be cube root of 10 to power of 3 times 10 to power of 6, it will be 10 to power of 9 and minus 9 times 10 to power of 6 and plus 27 times 10 to power of 3 and minus 27. And in next step, as you know, if we have a minus b to power of 3, this is equals to a cube minus 3a square times b and plus 3ab square and minus b cube, right? So in here, we want to make this in this form, right? So we can write cube root of, in here we have 10 to power of 9, and we can write this as 10 to power of 3 and to power of 3, right? And minus, in here we can write this 9 as 3 times 3, right? And times 10 to power of 6, and you can write 10 to power of 6 as 10 to power of 3 to power of 2, right? And in here we have 27, and we can write 27 as 3 times 9 and times 10 to power of 3, and minus, in here we can write 27 as 3 to power of 3, right? So in next step, this is equals to cube root of 10 to power of 3 to power of 3 and minus 3 times, in here we have 10 to power of 3 to power of 2 and times this 3, right? 3 times 3, we have times 10 to power of 3 to power of 2, we write in this form, and plus 3 times 10 to power of 3 and times this 9. We can write this 9 as 3 to power of 2, right? And minus 3 to power of 3. So if you look at this carefully, this is in the form of a cube minus 3a square b and plus 3ab square and minus b cube, right? And it will be a minus b to power of 3, which is A is 10 to power of 3 and B is 3, right? So in next step, write this in this form and it will be cube root of A minus B. A is 10 to power of 3 minus 3 to power of 3. And here this 3 will cancel this and it will be 10 to power of 3 minus 3. And 10 to power of 3 is 1000, 1000 and minus 3 and it will be 997. So our answer in here for this is equals to 997. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.